Imagine this. You're in a meeting. Your boss asks you a simple question in English. You know the answer perfectly in your head, but the second you open your mouth, nothing comes out. Your brain knows, your mouth freezes. Does this happen to you every single time? Well, today I'm giving you 15 super relatable idioms that describe exactly these frustrating moments. And listen carefully, 2 of them are absolute game changers that will make you say, finally, someone gets it. Let's dive in. Number 1, brain on pause. It means your mind just stops working for a second. For example, sorry, my brain is on pause right now, ask me again. Just picture that Monday morning when the coffee hasn't kicked in yet. Number 2, life stuck on refresh. This is for when the same problems keep repeating. Like saying, I changed jobs, but life is stuck on refresh, same stress again. We've all felt that loop, right? Number 3, confidence warming up. This means your confidence is coming, but slowly. Give me 2 minutes, my confidence is still warming up. It's perfect for those first few minutes in a new group. These first 3 already feel real, but keep watching, because the next ones hit even closer to home. Number 4, mood under repair. Your mood is bad but fixing itself. Don't talk to me yet, my mood is under repair. Coffee or music usually speeds it up. Number 5, energy on emergency mode. You're exhausted but still pushing. After 10 hours of work, my energy is on emergency mode. Raise your hand if exam week felt exactly like this. Number 6, motivation missing file. You can't find any motivation anywhere. I opened my books. Motivation is missing file. Mornings are the worst for this one. Now, the next one is dangerous. Most learners feel it every day, but almost no one talks about it. Number 7, focus went on vacation. Your concentration completely disappears. I was in the online class, but my focus went on vacation. Phone notifications are the fastest ticket to that vacation. This happens to everyone. But wait till you hear number 13, it connects perfectly. Number 8, words stuck in traffic. You know the words, but they won't come out. I wanted to answer fast, but my words were stuck in traffic. Quick question, have you ever felt this in an interview? Drop a yes in the comments if you have. Number 9, confidence on airplane mode. Your confidence is completely switched off. Everyone started speaking, my confidence went on airplane mode. But don't worry, practice turns it back on, trust me. We're flying through these, and the next ones are pure gold. Number 10, mind running in background. You're thinking about 10 things silently. I'm listening to you, but my mind is running in background. Nighttime overthinking? Classic background mode. Number 11, energy asking for permission. Your body is begging for rest. After gym, my energy is asking for permission to leave. Weekend says, permission granted. Number 12, confidence buffering again. Your confidence keeps loading and stopping. Right before speaking, confidence buffering again. New people always cause the worst buffering. Wait, pause the video for 5 seconds right now and say out loud, my confidence is buffering again. Say it, feels so natural, doesn't it? Okay, let's keep going, we're heading to the biggest one. Number 13, brain talking, mouth frozen. You know everything in your head, but your mouth won't move. My brain was screaming the answer. But my mouth was frozen. This is the real reason so many learners feel stuck in English. Game changer, right? Number 14, motivation waking up late. Your motivation arrives hours late. I planned morning study. Motivation woke up at 3 p.m. Afternoon motivation just hits different. Number 15, brain needs restart. You're mentally exhausted and need a fresh start. After back-to-back meetings, my brain needs restart. Sleep is the ultimate restart button. There you go. 15 idioms that make you sound natural. Science says, If you type your favorite idiom in the comments right now, your brain will lock it in 10 times stronger. Do it. I read every single comment. If you want to stop freezing, stop buffering, and finally speak confident English, smash that like button and hit subscribe. See you in the comments.